I'm going to show you how to download Among Us for your Windows computer. This is one of the most popular games ever made. So in this video, I'm not only going to show you how to download it, but I'm going to show you how to download it the right way. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is to come to your browser and type in Epic Games Download, because we need an installer, so then we can download Among Us. You click on the first result right here, and you'll find an icon like this that says Download the Epic Games Launcher. You click it, and it'll automatically start downloading the installer. This is not the app itself. It's the installer. We double tap it, and we will be greeted with an installer. In my case, I'm not going to keep going because I already have the installer in my computer installed, so I can install it twice. And well, once it's finished, you'll have the Epic Games Launcher installed. As you can see, I already have an account created, so I accessed automatically. In your case, you maybe will have to create a new account if you don't have one. Put your name, you put your email, all that basic stuff. And it will create an account for free. And well, last but not least, if you want to download Among Us, you have to come here to the search bar and type in Among Us. We click here so we can go to the Among Us page. It will say buy or download. And well, we click purchase. Then you'll have to click download. And once you download it, it will be on your library. Then you just have to click it and play it and have fun.